Today I'm going to start with Chapter 5, the Internet Web Browser, Part 3. In this chapter, today I will teach you basic requirements for an Internet connection. To connect your computer with Internet, you need the following hardware and software: modem, an internet connection, telephone line, and web browser. Now I will explain you all the four one by one. Modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows a computer or another device to connect to the internet. Three types of modem are: external modem. It remains outside the computer. It is a box-like structure which is connected to the computer through the USB port. Internal modem. It comes pre-installed in the computer. PC card modem are specifically designed for portable computers like your tablets and handheld computers like your smartphones. The speed of a modem is measured in BPS, that is bits per second. An internet connection. An internet connection is a service which an internet service provider (ISP) provides in exchange for a fee. This service is a must for accessing internet. Let me give you one example like Airtel, Vodafone Idea, Jio. These are the ISP. These telephone companies, these telecommunication companies provides you the internet. They are the internet service provider. You have to pay for the connection and then you will get the internet services. Alright. Telephone line. It is a medium that is used to connect the computer to an internet service provider. Wireless medium is also used for the data transmission. Wireless medium means your hotspot and your Wi-Fi. Web browser. It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. If you remember, in my last class, I have taught you about the web browser. I have shown you the web browser. Okay, web browser is an application software wherein you can access the internet like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. These are the few web browsers.